Hello everyone and welcome to Module 6 in Week 6. This is Dr. April Bice and we will be doing a review of Module 6 submissions activities for the week. Alright, so this week we will be focusing on political process and basically political efficacy and political imperative in the nursing profession. Let's focus a little bit on your to-do list for this week. You do have 3 chapters that we've asked for you to read. We have a couple of web lessons focusing on contacting your congressman, your local congressman, that's always important, as well as healthcare reform and global issues. There is, as usual, a link here to the Contemporary Nursing Issue Project Guidelines and Rubric. And then there's a discussion here basically about how to use a poster template. Be sure to use a poster template for your poster presentation that's associated with your projects. There's also here some poster presentation tips. Let's open that up. So we have here basically for your content, we would like for you to use headings, keep full sentences and paragraphs to a minimum. Figures and tables should be not repetitive because that's important. You don't want to see the same information on a poster over and over again. And then you want to use photographs that are going to clearly support your ideas and the purpose of your paper or poster. A lot of students will ask if this is essentially your nursing issue paper in a poster. It is. So basically you just want to present the same ideas that you did your paper on in the poster. If you are working in a group, then you will each submit a copy of your poster presentation in the grade center, but only one of you needs to submit the poster presentation on the discussion board for the final week. You do want to use proper APA formatting and in-text citations as well as the reference list. And then we have some recommendations here for style in your paper or your poster presentation. Next, we want you to complete a reflection activity that's here in number 5. Healthcare reform is something that is a very big issue. So, this is not something that you have to submit, but something we ask for you to do on your own as usual. What role do you believe nurses can assume to improve access and healthcare reform, as well as improve healthcare quality? Now, for your submitted assignments this week, you are going to be doing a discussion as usual, and then you will be submitting your contemporary nursing issue project. So that includes your final paper as well as your poster presentation. For your discussion number 6, this is going to be focused on the Institute of Medicine's future for nursing and future of nursing. You have a focus for your primary post. And essentially what we would like for you to do is to identify which recommendation that you believe in the Institute of Medicine's Future of Nursing, which you believe should receive priority attention within your state. You want to talk about why you think that recommendation is appropriate for your state, and you want to provide references for that. A copy of the Institute of Medicine's Future of Nursing report is right here. And then for your response post, we want you to select one student, and it needs to be someone whose recommendation differs from yours, and then to describe the similarities and differences between the selected recommendations and rationale for each of you. You will submit your final contemporary nursing issue paper here. You will submit your final contemporary nursing issue poster here. And you will post your poster to the discussion forum here. So again, if you're working with a partner, you must both still submit your poster to the grade center, but only one of you needs to post your poster presentation to the discussion forum. Let's see here. Did want to open the Contemporary Nursing Project Issue Guidelines and Rubric. Let's go down to Part B, which is the poster presentation. This right here, the following websites provide poster templates that you are permitted to use. Please be sure to only use one of these 3 poster session media tools, because those are the ones that we have already No will be compatible and work well with Blackboard. You may find that you'll run into problems with technology or IT issues if you choose another poster template, so please be sure to use one of the following three poster presentations. And essentially, like I said, this is a summary of your paper, but you want to make sure that you are still communicating the explanation of the issue, the strategy, and the data and the support of your strategy. Make sure that your references are appropriately put into APA format and clear even on your poster presentation. And this presentation, the poster, along with your paper, will be due on Sunday at 11:30. I believe that's all that I have for you today for Module 6. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask, and you all have a great week.